They see the hoodie, but not the hunger. They see the screen, but not the sleepless nights. They fear hackers, but they never understood. Hackers aren't born, we're built. One command, one mistake, one victory at a time. Welcome to the Hacker Anthem. We weren't born rich, we were born curious. World set too hard, that just made us furious. While others partied, we hit the lab. Turned cheap laptops into weapons we grab. Broken Wi-Fi, no GPU, slow RAM. Didn't matter, fire inside, that's who I am. Society said get a real job, but I chose a terminal over a fancy model. Didn't grow up with privilege or backup, but I learned to fight every time life cracked up. Google Forms, nights with no sleep. Learning networking, buried deep. Packets, ports, code in my veins. Pain in my life turned into cyber brains. I wasn't gifted, I was forged by the grind. A hacker is created in the darkness of mind. We are the ones who learn. Every failure helps us turn from noobs to legends, step by step. Hacker spirit you can't forget. We break to build, we fix to grow. We read the signs others never know. Hacker mindset born from pain. NepHack rising again and again. We don't just hack, we understand why. We see the patterns others let fly. Linux shells became our guide. Stack Overflow stayed by our side. Wireshark open, sniff the truth. Nmap scanning feels like youth. Burp Suite hungry, devour the flow. Recan reveals what systems don't show. People sleep while we learn the stack. 7 layers deep, never looking back. Web Pentesting, OSINT, malware trace. Hackers don't rush, we embrace the chase. We're not criminals, we're problem solvers. Risk takers, digital world revolvers. To protect the world, you must think like the threat. That's the mindset, every hacker met your brain. AI agents writing code on the fly, but human hackers, we still ask why. Zero trust world and cloud on fire. Hacker skill set only climbing higher. Quantum keys, drone hacks, ID fright. Cyber war zone, every day a fight. Attackers get faster, systems get weak, but we upgrade knowledge every single week. We aren't scared of the future storm. We stand tall, defenders take form. This isn't a job, it's a calling inside. Hackers don't quit, we rise with pride. We don't fear the unknown, we explore it. We don't run from challenges, we debug them. We don't follow rules blindly, we understand them. A hacker's purpose isn't destruction, it's discovery. This is the Hacker Anthem. Feel that spark? We turn curmudgeon into art in the dark. From no tools, no money, no guide, no map, to cyber warriors wearing the NepHack tag. Hackers are one, rebels are men. We turn curmudgeon into art in the dark. From no tools, no money, no guide, no map, to struggle warriors wearing the NepHack fate. Hackers don't wait, hackers create. If you're broke, lost, scared, if you think you're starting too late, if you feel like you have nothing, remember, every hacker began right where you are now. Just start, just learn, just try. Your future is typing, waiting for you to hit enter.